Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. It's been like a lot of days that I haven't been posting a lot of gaming videos. A lot of my other channel, but not Butterai videos. I have been posting not even a lot of videos this year or this week. I haven't been posting videos for at least I think 3 weeks by now. Our school already started, so happy school year. If you guys are all enjoying school, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe as well. I will probably reply to you guys if you ever subscribe or comment, so make sure you guys go down there. And if you guys do not know, my friend is online right now, so yeah. If you guys do not know, there's 50v50 solo 50v50 solid gold and 50 and duos of solid gold. So I'm going first on 50v50 and then later on to my other video that I'm gonna be posting in a bit, solid gold duos. So yeah, let's first go to 50v50 solid golds. Let's get the easier one done and then the hard one later on this day, but like yeah, later on this video, but not probably in this video, but next video if I post it today. But yeah, I'm probably gonna post it today. Okay, I know, bro. I know Ender passed. And if you guys want to add me as friend, my name is of course GamerGalore123. You guys can add me and do it. I can at least accept it, I guess. Yeah. Let's get this game going. Hopefully no one talks because I want to get the sound all good to everyone and then you can hear the sound as well. At least 1 kills for the boys will be good enough for 50-50. I've got like 7-8 kills already. So I don't know why my thing always goes so slow. Golden scar, golden scar, golden scar. No, I think they've added new places there. I know Tomato Temple already. We're gonna probably go not Tilted Towers. That's gonna be like too hard. We're gonna probably go to Salty Springs. Salty Springs. We'll be good enough. I just want to see where the circle is gonna be, so I want to be closer to it. Okay, on the Salty Springs side. I thought someone died already. Fatal Field. Let's go land on top of here. Oh, dang it! I lost a lot. Gotta chill down for a bit. And if you guys do not know, I play Creative Destruction as well, so add me there as well. Come on! I do not care. I do not care. I do not care. I do not care at all. Come on, bro. There's a chest right out there. How terrible am I on this game? Terrible. If you guys do not think I'm terrible at Fortnite, like and subscribe. I know there's a chest here, but I can't find it. Oh, what a good thing is that. Golden Scar, no way. Is there a Golden Scar? No, don't. Legendary shotgun! No way. No way. You better be kidding me, right? No! I love this gun! I already have this gun for years and years and years. It's just a blessing. Oh my god. Where is... I haven't been playing Fortnite a lot and posting a bunch of videos. But, you know, I post videos for you guys and you guys only. Okay, let's see where we can... Oh, what is this? What is this? Where is this place? Let's go ahead. Just get me see. Let's go, guys. What is it? Is that a gold? No, wait, is that a chest? Right up there. Oh yeah, that probably is. Yeah, I'm thought I already got this already. Got him. This, I don't know why, but I'm sorry if this keeps on lagging to you guys. Here it is really laggy. Now I just gotta chill until I get to the circle. Oh, one person right there. See him, see him, see him, see him, see him. Don't die, don't die, don't die. One is dead. No one please thank me. Oh, that one needs to get killed. Right now. Oh my god, why is this thing so loud? There's a shotgun there. What is this? This is probably like a new version. I think there's only... I keep on using so, or at least give me a kill. Give me a kill. Give me a kill. A kill will be enough. There's other people over there. You gotta be okay on this. Everyone start being okay. Go ahead over there. Bro, that dude is like not even caring. Yes, my homies. Oh, I'm going to a little bit of wrong place here. I need to at least stay somewhere and chill. Everyone, like, there are only few people in my team. Well, just kidding. I was like 20 million people. I need to get at least a lot of, how do I say it? No, wait, what? Come on, you Henry PMM. I want to report this. Oh. Well, guys, thank you guys for enjoying this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys all next time. Let's see if this guy's open. And I'll see you guys all next time. Goodbye. Come on, let's see what this guy's doing. And peace out. Have a great day. Bye-bye.